Give me your number, pretty bird.
I can't. I already have a girlfriend. I don't cheat. Not like you humans.
Oh, how rude!
We caught a guy stealing TVs yesterday. Said he was doing it for his family.
Everybody says that until they're caught.
You'd make a great detective.
Yeah, but I don't need donuts to think.
It's below the belt, Paco.
So was the last crime report.
What's wrong with you today?
Nothing's wrong. I just heard there's a beautiful doctor here, so I came to see for myself.
Sir, do you know why we pulled you over?
Because he's drunk, officer.
Wait, what?
He can't even find the brakes.
Oh, man.
Officer Miller, arrest me
Arrest you? For what, Paco?
for falling in love with you.
It's not a crime, Paco.
Then make it one. I want cuffs and a cell next to you.
Where were you last night at 9 p.m.?
At your mom's house.
Oh, man!
You can't change the truth, bro. Officer Miller, arrest me
Arrest you for what, Paco?
for falling in love with you.
That's not a crime, Paco.
Then make it one. I want cuffs and a cell next to you.
Oh, man.
What are you doing here?
That's not what it looks like.
Are you cheating on me?
No, I swear, she just asked for my number.
You know how fast you were flying?
Fast enough to make your radar jealous.
Oh, man, that's good. That's real good.
I think we should end this. I can't continue anymore.
I'm walking away from the one we made under the sky.
Give me your number.
I can't. I already have a girlfriend. I don't cheat. Not like you humans.
Three robberies last night, and one of them's a bakery. Who robs a bakery?
Someone hungry, obviously.
Oh, come on. You're gonna get me in trouble, big guy.
So, are you gonna ask for my number or not?
Why? You humans never answer anyway.
Oh my gosh, I can't, I don't chase.
I fly away.
Two guys tried to steal a cop car last night.
That's bold. Were they drunk or just Chicagoan?
You've got no filter, Paco.
Filters are for coffee, not truth.
Talk too much for a bird.
I'm not a bird. I'm an emotional disaster with feathers.
Oh, really? And what do you do for a living?
I give free advice no one listens to, just like humans.
Oh, wow, you're hired.
Are you waiting for someone or just pretending like everyone else?
Oh my god. Where did you come from?
Give me your number so I can leave. People are waiting for their turn to see you.
Come back tonight at 9 when I finish work, and we'll go have coffee.
Deal. Bang! Bang!
Mama.
Mama.
You fell over it. You bird.
Back off. This is my house. Back off. This is my house. Stop staring at me like that. This is my house. Go, get out. Stop staring at me. You've got nothing better to do. Go away.
Stop staring at me, little one. You've got nowhere to go here, so move along.
he really thinks he's slick. Look at him.
The paw creep.
Not with Captain Beaks on guard.
Ooh, immediate regret.
Cat tried it, Parrot ended it.
Justice served.
Back off. This is my house. No more trust. I'm done with love. I'm going back to the forest.
You really left.
Look at him go.
Bye, bird.
Don't any of you ever tell me again to go to New York and talk to some pretty human girl. They're all the same.
What happened, bro?
Never again.